Hello everyone and welcome to the second episode of Learn from Literature. Today also I will tell you about one Sanskrit sloka, its meaning and how it is relevant in present time. So personally I think that our Sanskrit literature is literally a vast ocean where you can dive and swim for hours and then also you can't even acquire 1% of the knowledge that it possesses, and that's a different topic for different day. So moving towards today's topic, amidst this pandemic, while 2020 is showering us with gallons of despairing and tragic episodes and life is uncertain, it is high time that we recognize what is really vital, really important, and really significant in our lives. So, to make this understand, I have one sloka from Subhashitani that tells पृथिव्या त्रीणि रत्नानि जलमन्नं सुभाषितं मूढ़े पाषाणखण्डेषु रत्नसंज्ञा प्रदीयते, which means that there are only three gems in this world. The jal means water, anna means food, and subhashitani, the good words from wise people. Mudhe pashana khandeshu ratna sagya pratiyate means there are still the fool and ignorant people who thinks that the real jewels are the stones. Stones in the sense I mean that the gold and diamond and all the jewelries that people mean. So who are these full and ignorant people? We, the whole mankind, the whole humanity. Over the course of time, we have become extremely materialistic. We have become those persons who are always focused on object, ownership, and wealth, being obsessed with status and curious to know about the annual income, financial background, and social influences of others more than anything else. People even go to the extent of judging others and even their own happiness on the basis of the number and quality of possessions they acquire. And they see possession as vital to happiness. But if you believe a study, a 1992 study conducted by Dr. Richins and Dawson, which is published in Journal of Consumer Research, you will get to know that people who are more materialistic feel less happy than their peers. They experience fewer positive emotions and are less satisfied with their lives. Um, some, or to be honest, most of us come with statements that my life would have been much better if I owned certain things that I don't have now. Personally, I think that I have this phone. If I would have a iPhone or Apple phone, anything, take any big brand name, then I would be happy. But then also, will I be ever be happy? No, because greed has no limits. So, what is the solution? Stop. Look around. You have food to eat. You are seeing this in Instagram or YouTube. That means you have a personal computer or a smartphone in your hand. Means you are lucky enough that you are not surviving, you are not struggling to survive a single day in your life. People out there are struggling even for one morsel of food. So stop, look around, and be grateful for the things and the privileges that you have in your life. Perhaps then you can know what real happiness and real success look like. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.